Sony LED TV model number 42W700B. The fault is TV gets on and goes into 5-time blink as soon as it starts and goes to 5-time blink. How to rectify it, I will show you in this video. Normally this type of fault belongs to LVDS cable, flat cable it's used here, and maybe in T-Con or a panel ID. If you have changed the panel, it may be due to the panel ID. In this TV I have checked LVDS cable, it's okay. Now the problem is with the T-Con board. It may be due to the panel ID, so I will take out the T-Con board and check all the panel voltages first, and then I will see that it's due to the panel voltage or a panel ID. Now I will check all the voltages on T-Con. For that I have used universal board to do that. Now I will check all the voltages. I am checking 3.3 volt. It appears to be okay. Now I am checking 16 volt AVDD. It's also okay. Now I am testing VGH voltage, which is near level shifter IC. That is also okay. Lastly I am testing VGL voltage. It also appears to be okay. Now I am testing gamma voltages. It starts from 14.8 volt and it goes around 0 volt on the last test point, and all the voltages were found okay. Only way to recover this fault is to replace the panel ID. I have the same T-Con from which I will use the panel ID data, and I will read it first and then I will write the same data into defective T-Con EEPROM. First I will remove the EEPROM from the defective T-Con and write it with a new data. Now I will fix this IC into programmer adapter and write it with new data. Buffer is not showing any panel number. Now I have to write the new data which have the panel number in it. Now I will check the buffer here. You can see T420HV06, it's written here, it's the panel number. Now this IC data can work. Now I will fix the IC in the board and see that it's working or not. Now I will fix the T-con in the TV and check that it's working or not. TV's problem was 5-time blink. It was going into 5-time blink. Now I have to see that it is corrected or not. This panel has a problem of no picture in 2-inch area, vertical area. I will make a video on that topic also.
So इसी टाइप की रिपेयरिंग आपको यहाँ पर सीखने मिलेगी अहमदाबाद वर्कशॉप में। 16 जनवरी को है नेक्स्ट बैच, जो कि 7 दिन की ट्रेनिंग है। 7 से लेके 22 जनवरी तक ये ट्रेनिंग रहेगी और 3 दिन बोनस में मिलेंगे आपको। सो ये ट्रेनिंग अटेंड करने के लिए आप यहाँ पर कॉल कर सकते हैं। मेरा फ़ोन नंबर यहाँ दिया हुआ है, आप ये नोट कर लीजिए, 9825842502। इस पे कॉल करना है और सीट बुक करनी है जल्द से जल्द, बिकॉज यहाँ पर हम 7 मेंबर ही लेंगे ट्रेनिंग में। 7 से ज़्यादा यहाँ पर हम एकोमोडेट भी नहीं कर सकते, इसलिए 7 मेंबर्स की हमारी बैच रहेगी, जो कि 16 जनवरी को होने वाली है।